All right, everybody, hello and welcome to another traveling Costa Rica video. Today, we're at our second stop in this cross Costa Rica tour. We are in Liberia, town in Guanacaste. It's the capital of Guanacaste. There is an airport there, which services a lot of the coastal towns, the nice beaches of the province of Guanacaste. So I got a previous question about where do I recommend staying in Liberia? And this is the place that I usually come to. It's Hotel Primavera. I'm going to show you quickly what it looks like here, what you get. I paid about $36 for a room with air conditioning, and you can get a non-air conditioned room for I think like $32. So it's probably worth getting the air conditioning. This is the room. No frills. No frills, but it does the job. Has a bed, has a bathroom. So $36 right here in Liberia. If this is your first time joining, be sure to hit like, hit subscribe right here on YouTube, and be sure to turn on the bell notification so you get notified when we upload a new video here in Costa Rica. And check that out, guys. Complimentary coffee. Perfect. So on this journey, we started at Calzón de Pobre, a beach just outside of Playa del Coco. We drove through Hermosa, Playa Panama, went up to Comunidad, a little town that if you go left, it heads to Liberia. If you go right, it heads on to Tamarindo. And then we drove past the Liberia International Airport, and then we landed here in Liberia. So we're going to be continuing this journey tomorrow, but for now we can check out this really cool town. So this hotel is actually right by the Central Park. Lots of cool stuff around here we're going to check out. This road heads back to the main highway here. So if you go down that road, it heads back to the highway. You can see a volcano down this road. Now, Liberia is a busy town. And here's kind of the focal point of it. The church, like so many towns here in Costa Rica, has a focal church with a park. I think they've done some renovations here at the park recently. There's some sinks over there. I just had a pineapple, and it was nice for cleaning off after I ate it. There's the big sign you can see. And a bunch of tourists got off here. I just saw them, so you may have if you're hiring a tour guide or operator, they might stop here in Liberia. This is a really cool park. I find that every time I've been here, the later and later it gets, the more busy it is. Liberia is great. It's a great place to stop and spend your vacation if you're not looking to spend it all at either, a jungle or a beach. Kind of splits the middle. So north is that way, and it goes up to Playa El Hobo, which is further on north, and then Nicaragua's that way. And to the west, there's Playa del Coco, 45 minutes or so to the west. And then if you start heading south, you can start getting to those access points where the jungle is. And this is the church. It was just open. Took a look at it. Very nice inside. Pretty cool. And Liberia is great for food options. I usually just go to the little places like the soda right here on the corner. Delicious. But there's a bunch of restaurants here with different types of food. Fusion stuff, Asian food, Indian food. There's really nice restaurants here. Poke. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. Poke. But there's actually something cool right up at the next intersection that we're going to go check out. It's a Museo de Guanacaste. So if you're coming here to check this out, just look for the sign. It says Museo de Guanacaste. There's a bunch of flags here, pretty cool. Cool to see. And right here there is a masala. It's an Indian restaurant. They have really good food, masala. And the Yummy Diner, they have treats and bonbons, and I think they have crepes. Or crepes, I don't know. The pancakes with sugar on top. I try to limit how much of those I eat. So it's a really cool building. Now my understanding is this served as an armory and or a prison. And I was reading a lot of the reviews online, and it seems to be loosely administered. So when it's open, and you can see I just did a quick walkthrough. Look at my bearings here. There's a donation box here, and it's kind of situated like this. There's offices on either side. And my understanding is there's occasionally exhibits here, or exhibitions. And there's one right in here. It's pretty cool. Go check it out. And then on the other side, I walked along there. There's band equipment and some offices and stuff like that. So if you're in Liberia and you're coming through, if you see the door open, it's worth checking out. Peruse through here real quick. Museo del Sabanero. Cool. There's a bunch of cool stuff in here. Very nice. Cool. Big saw there. Bunch of cool stuff in here. Kids would probably appreciate checking it out. Let's skip across the courtyard and head down that way. So there's something that I thought was really cool. Heading on over here. See the grates there? So the prisoners can breathe, apparently. Check all this out. Now that's pretty cool. I don't know, I'm assuming these would have been cells for prisoners, maybe? Feeding trough? I don't know. I'm just making stuff up. If you know, let me know in the comments. You know what? If you want to enjoy your vacation at the beach, you can leave your kids here. Just kidding. Just joking. Don't tear my head off. In the comments. Okay, cool. So, hope you enjoyed that walking tour, this brief one of here in Liberia. Be sure to hit like, hit subscribe, turn on the bell notification, because we are going to be continuing south and just filming kind of whatever is interesting here in Costa Rica. Thanks for watching. Bye now.